You can do anything at GE. You know, I came in, wasn't expecting really to make a future out of it. It was just a job to me. To be honest, I wasn't fully invested, you know, when I was a new hire.
Single frame wire, there was a couple mats. Oh, and it missed.
As I worked and realized, you know, this is a good opportunity for me, just jump in, give it your all. You know, you can do anything.
Job listings kept coming up, and he tried a couple different times, and you know, he didn't get the job, and I think he was a little discouraged. I always knew he had the potential, though. I told him to keep trying, and they finally took a chance on him.
So when I started at GE Appliances, I didn't have my own place. I didn't have my own car. I was staying with friends, and I didn't really have any goals.
We've been able to get a nice house for our girls to grow up in, and it's been great.
You know, working here, I was able to build up. I've now own my own home, own my own car. I bought my wife's car. I'm able to provide for my family.
Last one.
I was able to get my degree, which GE helped me with the tuition reimbursement program.
Hold on, sis. We're going to get down and eat them. Well, absolutely. I think manufacturing careers are a great way to avoid student loans. I'm actually in the process right now of paying off mine, and it's tough.
My advice to a new operator would be do the best you can. If you need help, ask somebody. Everybody's willing to help. You got to find your strengths. There's opportunities, quality, safety, engineering. Possibilities are endless. Whatever you set your mind to, whatever you work towards, we can make it happen here.